Kajal Agarwal. She is one of the most successful and highest paid South Indian actress with several hits under her name. Her birthplace is Mumbai, and even though she works in South Indian movies, she is not a South Indian in real life. Pooja Hegde. One of the most popular South Indian actresses, Pooja Hegde predominantly works in Bollywood and South India. The actress is not South Indian as she was born in Mumbai and was brought up there too. Rakul Preet Singh. She is one of the most popular South Indian actresses and she works in both Bollywood and South Indian industry. This stunning actress was born and brought up in New Delhi, and though she works in South Indian movies, she is a North Indian actually. Ileana D'Cruz. She is a Bollywood and Tollywood actress and has worked with some top actors from South India. Ileana's birthplace is actually Mumbai, so she is not at all a South Indian origin. Tamanna Bhatia. Bahubali actress Tamanna has done numerous South Indian movies till date, but it is known to many that she is not South Indian. This actress was born in Mumbai and works in Bollywood and South India simultaneously. Taapsee Pannu. Taapsee started her acting career with South Indian movies and later stepped in Bollywood and became successful. Taapsee's birthplace was New Delhi and she is not South Indian in real life. Genelia D'Souza. Before coming into Bollywood, Genelia had done several South Indian movies, but she is not South Indian. Genelia D'Souza was born and brought up in Mumbai and is currently married to Ritesh Deshmukh. Hansika Motwani. Hansika started working as a child actress and later entered into South Indian industry as an actress. But in real life, she is not a South Indian as she was born and brought up in Mumbai. Neha Sharma. This actress works in both South India and in Bollywood industry too. Neha Sharma is not South Indian at all and she was born in Bhagalpur. Jyotika. Jyotika is a very popular name in the South Indian industry as she has done several movies in South India. But it is surprising that the actress is not from South India and she was born and brought up in Mumbai. Namrata Shirorkar. Mahesh Babu's wife Namrata Shirorkar did South Indian as well as Bollywood movies in her career. But in real life, the actress belongs from Mumbai and had no connection with South India. Charmi Kaur. The actress is quite popular in South Indian industry, but do you know that she was actually born and brought up in Vasai? Nagma. Nagma once was the most sought after actress in South India, even though she was not South Indian as she was born in Mumbai. Who among these actresses is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section.